Hello, and welcome. Today, I am going to show you how to make profile on Fiverr, so let's start. First of all, go to fiverr.com. Click on Become a Seller. Then a window will be pop up, in which type your email in email box. Click on Continue to go next. Now, type your unique username and password here. By clicking on Join, you join the Fiverr community, for which you have to provide some details. Provide all the required details here about you. In description, write about your expertise, skills, experience and other qualities. Don't copy, write by your own. Tell about the languages you know, and proficiency level. Click on Continue to go next. Now, type your occupation here, what you actually do. Type your skills here. Provide your education details, degree with engineer. If you have any certificates, provide, otherwise leave it. If you have any personal site, provide here. Here you can link your accounts, if you want. Now, we have to verify our email which we have provided, for which we will go to our email account. Here is the Fiverr activation email, just open it. By clicking on Activate your account, your email will get verified. In the next window here, provide some more details. Click on Save Changes. Now your profile is complete. If you wanna give skill test, you can give here by clicking on Take Test. That was all about today's video. In the next video I will show you how to make gig perfectly. Thanks for watching. Like the video and comment if you have any queries.